Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Hi, glad you stopped in, glad you found the channel. And if you're returning, welcome back. Glad to have you. So, we're going to do a little unboxing for you today. And I have some items here from FGNORMAL to show to you. Have a variety of things here. Got some really pretty stuff here. Can hardly wait to show it to you. As always, I will have them linked below so that you can find them quickly and easily if you like them and you're interested in them. So check them out. All right, are you ready to roll? We're ready to roll. Let's set this to the side over here, and we'll start with this really pretty one that's right on top. I mean, look at the colors in that little thing. A little 30 by 30. It's just a heart with all kinds of fun gems and stuff around it. And I mean, look at the colors. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. It has, let's see, we got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different types of drills. Probably 8 rhinestones and probably 4 special drills is my guess. But how pretty is that? Bright and colorful and cheery feeling. Oh my gosh, makes you smile, doesn't it? All right, what kind of colors do we have, Dale? What do we got? I know we got a bunch of oh, you're starting at the other end. Oh, he's starting with the fun stuff. I always make you wait. We have some teardrops, faceted, clear, with the iridescent. Oh my goodness, we have 2 little blue hearts. Those are pretty. How many of those do we need? 1. They gave us 2 though. I've never had that color before. Some green pearly rounds. Some blue that are faceted rounds. And then we get a whole bunch of pretty colors of rhinestones. So we got a beautiful blue, like a turquoisey blue. That's a pretty color. A purple, an orange, a green, a light blue, an orange, a pretty pink, and some clear. All right, all the colors of the rainbow in that one. Love it. How pretty. Love, love, love it. All right. This one here, oh my gosh, this one has been in multiple carts, multiple times, and I've never ordered it. But hey, today is the day. Today is our day. There we go. Let's zoom in a little bit. It's just a pretty, pretty dragonfly. But look at this. The body's going to be special drills all down through here. I don't know, what kind of tree is this? It's got to be a tree. I don't know. For some reason, I feel it's dogwood, but I don't know what it is. But it's pretty. Lots of special drills in there. How many drills does it have? It doesn't count. Let me see. 8. I'm guessing up through 8 is rhinestones. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 special drills. That's my guess. But look how pretty it's going to be. Oh my goodness. I love it. Absolutely love it. I think it's going to be gorgeous. All right. What do we have? Are these our drills? Oh, do you think I can do this with one hand? Let's see. I'm going to try. Let me see. Let's see if I can do it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll try it. Look. Oh, look. Let's start right out with this beautiful, beautiful, like magenta color. Love it. And then a light brown. That's pretty. Then we have another pinky, rosy color rhinestone. A light pink. Love it. Oh, an even lighter pink. That is pink. Yeah, can you tell it's pink in the camera? It's pink. Trust me, it's pink. Then we have a green for all of the leaves and such. And brown for the branches. And that's like a gray. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, aren't those pretty? It's like the last one we had a big, did it have big blue ones like this? Those are pretty. You don't get those very often. I love getting unique drills. Some huge white pearls. A little bit smaller white pearls. And what are these? Oh, red. Pearly red. Love it. And then some green iridescent faceted marquees. Love it. That's going to be really, really pretty. I love it. Love, love, love it. Beautiful. All right, so there's our dragonfly. I'm calling it dogwood. I'm just going to call it dogwood. You can call it what you want. Everybody else can call it what they'd like, but I'm calling it dogwood. All right, what do we have here? Oh, there's a tool kit. As you know, that's what our toolkits look like. Oh, look at her. Isn't she cute? My guess is it's not going to be printed on the back. Nope, nothing on the back. But look at her. She's just a little Easter gnome girl. She got her little Easter basket. She's got a couple eggs in her Easter basket. She's cute. She's adorable. I love it. Nothing like a good old holiday gnome. You know what I'm saying? All right. Here's our stand. Don't forget, take off all the film. There's a film on both sides of that. And of course, there is a film on the back side of her too. So take off all that film when you're done. Makes it look much nicer. Okay? All right. Drills. We don't get any little sticker sheet or any little legend. You just go with the numbers on the bag for these guys. Lots of pink. Are you ready? One moment, please. All right, let's look at these drills and see what she gets. Here we go. We got some pretty colors for this one. All right, lots of pink, okay? Light pink, darker pink, another pink. What is this? This is like a gray. That's a clear, a green, blue, another green, a lighter green, a light gold color. That's like a champagne color. Brown, darker brown, one more pink, so another pink, and that's a fuchsia. That's pretty. All right, here's our special drills. We have a faceted marquee in pink. I love these guys. I was trying to explain to Dale, these remind me of a candy that we could get at Christmas time. Little bumps on them, they have like a jelly inside of them. But look, we got two colors. We got the pink ones and we got yellow ones. Nice. Oh, sorry, we got three. We got blue ones too. Oh, they're going to be one of each or something right here, probably. All right. Then we have pink pearls. I think she's super cute. Nothing like a nice little Easter little project there. I think she's cute. All right. So we got one more thing. Speaking of Easter, let's speak of Easter. Okay. Came in the box, of course. Came with our, our foam, which I just throw those away. I don't need them. And this one, you can tell, is going to hang because there is our chain to hang it by. All right, leave it out. Remember, we're going to show them at the end. I know, you always want to put them right away, but we got to show them at the end. Got to show. Oh, look how pretty that's going to be. It's all printed on the back. Oh, that's going to be pretty. This is so cute. You guys, it is so cute. Now, does it look like my bunny blue? Not really, but, sort of a little, I guess. I don't know. But it's a cute little bunny, isn't it? Look at the pretty little bow. So this one's going to be really pretty hanging up at Easter time. All the flowers. I'm going to call these ranunculus. That's what I'm going to call them. You call them what you want. That's what I'm calling them, ranunculus. Isn't that a cute little bunny rabbit? It's so stinking cute. All right, let's see what we have for drills. Let's see what we got. What are our drills? You're going to do this one? Okay. A couple of bags of clear. All right, 2 bags of clear. Oh, look, we also have 2 bags of blue, like icy blue. All right, 2 clear. That's all that bow and all that. Yeah, that's what that's for. Lime green and a light pink. What is this color? Gray? That's got to be for the bunny. Yep, that's got to be the bunny's face, the bunny's nose, and things like that. Those are really pretty, those iridescent round faceted ones. Those are really pretty. Then we have iridescent green faceted marquees and some smooth pink marquee and pearly teardrops in blue. Cute. I love it. Love, 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 love it. I'm about to be attacked by a cat back here. He wants something. I know him wants something. He likes to come up here and he just like, no, he didn't do anything. He's just thinking about it yet. He's thinking about it, but he hasn't done anything yet. So anyhow, we got the pretty little bunny hanging. We got the cute little gnome. And then what else do we have? We had a couple of paintings, right? Yep. The dragonfly, like I said, it has been on my list for a long time. The dragonfly has been. And then this one just popped up. It just came up and I was like, that's really pretty. Let's get that one too. So that's what we got from, I forget, FGNORMAL. So check out FGNORMAL. Again, they'll be linked below. If you're interested in these items, let me know which ones you liked. What was your favorite? And please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here, things like that. Super thanks every once in a while is great. That's a paid option, but you know, hey, we appreciate it around here. And we appreciate all of you watching. Every view counts. It really does. So thank you so much. And I think we're done for the day. We've done several unboxings today. We're going to take a break, make dinner, take a break. The cat's back. He wants more attention. So we're going to go. Dogs want out. I think we're done filming for the day. So thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you all real soon. Bye, you guys.